Hello YouTube, this is Scientific here, and welcome back to another Python tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about subclassing. Subclassing is basically when you have one class, and in that class, you have a method for something. So say it's a person class, you would have an eat, a sleep, and a drink method. And, that would be something that every person would do, eat, sleep, and drink. Then you would have a more specific class, say an aiming class, and that class would have an eat, sleep, and drink method, as well as its own ones, like code, play the piano, listen to music, etc. But instead of you having to type out all those instead of you having to type out the eat, sleep, and drink method, you can just subclass the person class, and you don't have to define any of those methods inside that class. All you have to do is define the other methods, the unique methods to aiming, and then you can still call the eat, sleep, and drink methods that you didn't write in the aiming class, but they were in the person class, which is subclassed. So you can call those methods with the aiming class, with an instance of the aiming class, even though you didn't write those methods yourself. So enough of me talking, let's get on to it. Class person. Remember, you should always, in 2.7, make your methods subclass. Make your classes, subclass the object class. And classes that you subclass are known as superclasses, and the classes that subclass that class are known as subclasses. So superclass and subclass are parent class and child class, because this is like the parent, and then the other one's the object, the child. So def eat self print nom def drink self print glug that's that. Def sleep self print and then let's define an aiming method, or class. It's Python convention that after every class you take 2 spaces and then start writing your next piece of code. It's just a bit of Python convention. Like this at the top, you leave a space here and you leave a space after defining every method. Just some Python convention known as PEP. You can Google that. Class aiming. And then here we're going to put in person. Def. Actually no, let's just not put anything in here. And then we'll say aiming equals aiming. And see how this goes. Nothing bad happens. Say aiming.eat nom. How did this work? We didn't define an eat method inside aiming. We defined it up here. But like I said, since we subclassed person, we have the eat method automatically. So let's say def code self, and we'll say print tap debug that's not debug celebrate, and let's say aiming.code. But then if we get an instance of the person class, and then we say person.code, we're going to get an error because person object has no attribute code. So this is basically saying, whoa dude, what are you doing? The person class has no code method. That's unique to the aiming class that we defined here. So you have aiming.drink and aiming.sleep, and all of that is all from this method, or from this class. So all these methods came from this class because we subclassed the person class. See how useful subclassing is? Not very, because you have to type less. But some people like to type less. I prefer to type more. Anyway, thanks for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If there's anything you'd like to ask me about, please just leave a comment and I will answer you as quick as I can. But until then, my name is Santic, okay? And I will see you in the next tutorial.